they are traitors to a Filipino and to the country. But more than that, ang ICC ay tuta ni Trillanes at ni Marcos.
Correct!
Yun yun.
Agree!
But did he follow through on what he said?
Hindi na pwede maglagpas. Kasi hindi na pwede maglagpas.
He presented a letter, he released an official letter, but his left hand was doing other negotiations.
Still na lang sa imong place.
He was doing exactly the opposite
Pwede.
of his letter. He was allowing the investigation to happen, supported by the House of Representatives and Antonio Trillanes. Former soldiers, former employees of Congressman Zaldico already executed affidavits saying that they were told to exchange pesos to dollars because this will be delivered to the ICC investigators through Trillanes. And this is not hearsay.
No.
Because the person who did the delivery, who received the instructions, who went to the money exchange and exchanged for dollars, who delivered the money was the same person who talked to Zaldico. Bakit ko nasabi? Natuta ni Marcos.
Wala na tayong pera.
Kasi sumusunod sino yun? Sumusunod sila kay Trillanes at Marcos. At hindi lang yan. Pinapanindigan pa nila yung kanilang pagsunod
Yes.
Grabe.
kay Marcos at kay Trillanes.
Grabe.
And so,
Kami kayo sa palungon si Trillanes.
this is not about justice.
Justice.
This is about politics in the Philippines. Who's next? Bato.
Marco.
Next. Marcoleta. Next.
Dong Revilla.
Oh, Harry Roque. Bong Revilla, Jingo Estrada, Mike Defensor.
Yes.
You see the pattern?
Yes.
So this is all about politics. Marcos supporting ICC, ICC supporting